Hello, it's me, Bob Tedrow, and Yogi the dog, who is not helpful. Stay. I want to talk to you about banjos for a minute. I want to talk about banjos. We have a new line here in the shop. This is a Bart Reiter banjo. Bart Reiter is a maker from Michigan. He's been making banjos in his house for, I don't know, I think 30 years. These are old-time banjos. They have a frailing scoop, open back, no resonator. Not a bluegrass banjo, but extremely careful, good workmanship. Bart is an artist. I've got, this is a Bart model, a Galax model, and this is a Bart Reiter standard. Both very nice banjos. We've had them here at Homewood Music. So, come by and try one out today. And free dog with every purchase. Bye-bye.